What's going on, everyone? My name's Jose, and today we're going to be talking about what NEO has in store for us on NEO Day, which is January 9th, this upcoming Saturday. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button. YouTube told me that 95% of you guys watching are not subscribed, so make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Thanks. Before we begin this, let's just admire this beautiful EP9 that's right here. Yes, that is a NEO vehicle that you're seeing right then and there, and it's all electric, and it's just so beautiful to look at. Jumping into NEO Day and what to expect is we already know that NEO is confirming 2 new sedans that are coming out. NEO is very known for their SUVs, and they currently have no sedans, so this is huge for them because it's going to make them go into another sector of the EV market. They're also coming out with another SUV, and one thing that you want to keep in mind is that it is actually confirmed that a lot of people are requesting this vehicle, and the demand is so high that NEO actually needs to get another factory. This is huge news because if they get another factory, that means production goes up, that means revenue goes up. Another thing to keep in mind is that NEO is planning on going into the European market by Q2 of this year. That's June 2021, and that's amazing news. That means more production and more revenue, which means higher stock prices. Not all the time, but for the most part, yeah. In my unprofessional opinion, I definitely think that NEO stock will rise above $70 by the end of this year. They are doing so much, and they're competing directly with Tesla. Yes, Elon Musk, they're competing right neck and neck with them. Keep in mind, don't be surprised if you see any type of dips or anything like that in their stock prices just because they are implementing a new revenue structure. What I mean by that is they're including a battery as a service plan for customers that actually don't want to buy the vehicle with an actual battery. So what this means is they can buy the vehicle and then the battery can be separate, and they can literally go into one of these battery powered stations and they can swap out the battery, just easy as that. Aside from the battery stations that they actually also have a van that literally goes around that's 24 hours and 7 days a week for customers when your battery dies. So the van will just come up to you and they'll recharge your battery enough for you to get it back to another charging station or another battery swap place. Keep in mind, with this battery swap, you can actually only get it 6 times a month, which I think is far more than enough. I think you get like around 268 miles per battery. So if you need more than that, that's probably because you're traveling, but you can always use the battery stations as well. Tesla actually tried to do this battery swap thing back in the day, and they actually only had it in California. They only built one facility for it, and apparently Elon Musk said that it just wasn't helpful for customers, so he didn't even develop it. So NEO's taking advantage of all of the things that they can do in China because they are also backed by the Chinese government, so they're adding all of these battery stations, and it's working out really well. So that's it for today, guys. I can't wait to tune in on Saturday to see exactly what's going to happen with NEO and what they're going to come out and what new technology that's going to change the stock for the better. Thank you guys for tuning in, and like I always say, we're here breaking the cycle, making sure that our future generations are wealthy and healthy. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.